How to change phone number on LinkedIn. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on LinkedIn. In order to do so, first of all, open your LinkedIn application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on it and then from the side menu, here select the settings option at the very bottom on the left. Once you select the settings option, this will take you to a new page. Now in this page, here you will need to select sign in and security option. Simply tap on it and here you'll be able to see the phone number option. Now you will need to select the phone number option and inside it, you'll be able to locate the option add phone number. Simply tap on it. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for that code and once you receive the code, enter it in this field. You are also suggested to check your spam folder if you don't receive the email in your inbox. After entering the code in this field, tap on the submit button at the left side and once after verifying your email address, now you'll be able to add your phone number. Tap on this phone number box and enter your phone number. After that, select your country and then enter your LinkedIn password. Tap on this password box and enter your LinkedIn password. After entering it, now tap on the send code button right here to receive a verification code via SMS. Now at the bottom, you'll be able to see this pop-up. Here now, you will need to enter the code that you have received in your SMS. Enter the code in this field and then tap on verify. After that, you will see you have successfully added or changed phone number on LinkedIn. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your phone number on LinkedIn. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.